The fat loss problem, maintaining those gains. All right, people, let's discuss fat loss. It's a voyage many of us begin on, but it's not just about dropping pounds. It's about keeping the muscular mass we've worked so hard to develop. We've all been there. You hit the gym hard, you're putting in the work, but there's this continuous anxiety, losing those precious gains, the sweat, the effort, the devotion. Everything appears at danger when you start limiting calories. You want to lose fat. Yeah, but you don't want to appear like a deflated balloon after. The idea is to show the muscle below, not to lose it in the process. It's a frequent issue, and it's legitimate. It's a fine balance. It's like attempting to construct a masterpiece. Imagine a sculptor chiseling away at a slab of marble. They have to be exact, removing just the perfect amount to unveil the beauty inside without destroying the structure. You had to take away the excess yet keep the definition. It's about fine-tuning your physique, making sure every cut counts and every rep matters. Nobody wants to wind up seeming soft, right? We all aspire for that chiseled appearance, the sort that turns heads and makes all the hard work worth it. We want that sleek, nasty figure, the sort that shows off our power and determination. It's not just about looks, it's about feeling strong and secure in our own flesh. And let me tell you, it's not easy. The fight is genuine. Balancing fat reduction while retaining muscular mass demands a deliberate strategy. It's a mix of the correct food, the right training program, and the right vitamins. That's where creatine comes in, my friends. This pill is a powerhouse when it comes to retaining muscle mass throughout fat reduction. It's not only for bodybuilders, it's for everyone serious about their fitness quest. This item is a game changer. It helps you retain your strength and muscle volume even while you're in a calorie deficit. It's like having an insurance policy for your earnings. It's like the secret sauce, the magic ingredient that helps you scorch fat while hanging on to that hard-won muscle. So next time you're afraid about losing your gains, know that with the correct method and the appropriate supplements, you can get that slim, mean figure without compromise. Creatine. What's the deal, man? So, what is creatine anyway? It's a naturally occurring chemical present in your muscles. Think of it as high-octane fuel for your exercises. It provides you that additional burst of energy and strength. It's been examined extensively, and the science is strong. It's safe, it's effective, and it's utilized by athletes of all levels. We're talking about everyone from weekend warriors to top pros. Now you could be thinking, Joe, I'm not aiming to be a bodybuilder. Listen, I hear you. But here's the deal. Creatine isn't simply for growing big muscles. It's for everyone who wants to change their body composition and uncover their full potential. Fat-burning furnace creatine amps up the heat. Here's when things get interesting. Creatine doesn't only help you grow muscle, it really helps you burn fat more effectively. Yeah, you heard it correctly. It's like converting your body into a fat-burning inferno. How does it do this? Creatine improves your lean muscle mass, and muscle is metabolically active tissue. That implies it burns more calories at rest than fat. So even when you're not at the gym, your body is working overtime to scorch those calories. But wait, there's more. Creatine also boosts your performance in the gym. You'll be able to lift heavier, push harder, and go for longer. This leads to a bigger calorie expenditure and consequently more fat loss. Science doesn't lie. Creatine's established track record. For decades, creatine has been one of the most studied and talked about supplements in the fitness and health business. Its effects have been investigated and proven by multiple scientific research, making it a mainstay for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Now I know what you're thinking. Joe, show me the proof. Creatine is simply marketing fluff, or whether there's true substance behind it. Don't worry, I have you covered. Let's go into the science and examine what the study says about creatine's usefulness. There are several research out there that back up these assertions. Researchers have been examining creatine for years, and the findings are typically good. From increasing sports performance to assisting in muscle rehabilitation, creatine has shown its usefulness time and time again. One research published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition indicated that creatine supplementation paired with resistance exercise led to substantial gains in lean body mass and reductions in body fat percentage. This implies that not only may creatine help you grow muscle, but it can also aid in eliminating undesirable fat. Another research in the European Journal of Applied Physiology demonstrated that creatine supplementation increased fat burning during exercise. This is a key result because it implies that creatine may help your body become more effective at burning fat for energy. That implies your body is physically utilizing fat as fuel while you're doing out. Imagine being able to enhance your exercises by not just growing muscle, but also eliminating fat more efficiently. So the data is clear. Creatine is a strong weapon for fat reduction, but that's not all. Creatine has also been demonstrated to boost strength, increase endurance, and enhance overall athletic performance. It's like having a hidden weapon in your fitness armory. It's not just hype, it's supported by solid studies. The data is strong, and the advantages of creatine are widely known. Whether you're an athlete aiming to boost your performance or someone attempting to be in better shape, creatine may be a helpful supplement to your program. So next time you hear someone disputing the usefulness of creatine, you can firmly link them to the evidence. The evidence is in the study and the outcomes speak for themselves. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some actual folks who have experienced the the transformational effect of creatine firsthand. I've had several guests on my show that swear by creatine. They tell about how it's helped them reach their fitness objectives, whether it's dropping those last few pounds of stubborn fat or loading on lean muscle mass. And it's not just athletes and fitness buffs. I'm talking about average individuals who have made creatine a part of their regimen and are getting great benefits. They're feeling better, they're more confident, and they're finally obtaining the physique they've always wanted. All right, let's get a bit technical for a second. We're looking into the science behind one of the most popular supplements in the fitness industry, creatine. I know I said we'd keep things simple, but believe me, this is vital. Understanding how creatine works will help you get the most out of your exercises and attain your fitness goals quicker. Creatine works by boosting the availability of a chemical called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, in your muscles. ATP is the fundamental energy carrier in all living species on Earth. Think of ATP as the energy currency of your cells. Just as money is used to acquire goods and services, ATP is utilized to fuel many cellular operations, including muscular contractions. It's what enables your muscles to contract and perform their job. Every time you lift a weight, run, or even blink, ATP is being consumed. When you supplement with creatine, you're basically boosting your body's stockpiles of ATP. This is because creatine helps replenish ATP more rapidly, providing for prolonged energy during high-intensity exercises. This means you have more energy available for your exercises, enabling you to train harder and longer. Whether you're lifting weights, running, or performing any type of high-intensity workout, creatine may give you that additional kick. And remember, increased muscular mass implies a higher metabolism. When you grow muscle, your body needs more energy to sustain that muscle, even at rest. So not only are you burning more calories throughout your exercises, but you're also burning more calories at rest. It's a win-win scenario. This is why creatine is so popular among sportsmen and fitness aficionados. It not only helps boost performance, but also assists in muscle development and recuperation. Now, you may be asking how to take creatine. The most popular type is creatine monohydrate, which is commonly taken in powder form. You may combine it with water, juice, or your favorite before exercise drink. It's normally suggested to start with a loading phase, when you take a larger dosage for the first 5-7 days, followed by a maintenance period with a lower dose. This helps fill your muscles with creatine more rapidly. However, some individuals skip the loading period and instead start with the maintenance dosage. Both ways are successful, so it really boils down to personal taste. It's also crucial to keep hydrated while taking creatine, since it might cause your muscles to pull extra water from your bloodstream. Make sure you're drinking lots of water throughout the day. So there you have it. Creatine is a potent substance that may help you enhance your exercises, develop muscle, and burn more calories. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just beginning your fitness path, creatine may be a helpful supplement to your program. Remember, supplements are only one element of the picture. A healthy diet, correct exercise, and enough rest are all vital for reaching your fitness objectives. But with creatine in your corner, you're giving yourself an advantage. So go ahead, give it a try, and witness the impact it can make. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more advice and insights on how to maximize your fitness journey. Till next time, keep pushing your boundaries and remain strong. Now you're undoubtedly asking, Joe, how do I utilize this stuff? Don't worry, it's quite basic. The most popular method to consume creatine is in powder form. You simply combine it with water or juice and drink it up. It's tasteless, so you don't have to worry about any strange tastes. There's no need to go crazy with loading stages or anything like that. Just take a steady quantity of about 3 to 5 grams every day. You may take it before, during, or after your exercises, and listen, consistency is essential here. You're not going to see results immediately, but if you're patient and you continue with it, you will notice a change. So there you have it, guys. Creatine is a safe, effective, and economical supplement that may help you reach your fat reduction objectives while conserving your hard-won muscle. It's like having a hidden weapon in your armory, giving you that additional edge in the gym and helping you shape the body of your dreams. Remember, it's not only about looking nice, it's about feeling good. It's about having more energy, greater confidence, and the capacity to push yourself farther than you ever imagined possible. So what are you waiting for? If you're serious about taking your fitness quest to the next level, it's time to give creatine a try. Do your homework, chat to your doctor, and locate a quality vitamin that works for you. But most importantly, go out there and put in the effort. Creatine isn't a wonder drug. It's a tool that can help you attain your objectives. But you had to be willing to put in the work. So are you ready to release your inner beast creatines calling teens? Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.